What's up, guys? So right here, just to let you guys know, I am now filming in my iPhone 11 Pro, which I feel the quality is insane, okay? I'm in the wide angle mode, which allows you guys to see a lot more, but let you guys see, I got some parts here, I got an oil change kit there with the oil level sensor I gotta do, and then this is all the parts that we're gonna be replacing this weekend. But this is something a bit more exciting. So let's open it up and give it a look. I can do this with one hand. Just yeah, like that. Who gave me a knife, huh? Okay, so with that being said, I know I've been a bit absent on the videos lately, where I was before, excuse me, posting a video like at least once every week or once every 2 weeks, because I had the time and I had the capabilities to do so during the summer. But now that I'm in school, it's been difficult and I'm not working, so it's been difficult for me to get things done. But I'm getting control of my time schedule, and I got a bunch of things set up for this weekend. So I'm going to CMAG night, so hopefully I can get some nice footage from there. But this is everything I need for a steering wheel in my car. Alright, so I believe this is the hub or the quick release. I'm not sure. Yes, this is the hub. So wiring for the horn, screws. Let's put that over there. And then nice little OMP, OMP hub, which OMP is a really good brand, so I'm really happy that I have their hub. It looks really nice finish. So that's that. Just wait until we get to the wheel. That's the exciting part. And right here we have from DND Performance, quick release. Yes, this is a spline quick release, I believe. I think that's what my brother said. So here's what we have: is a spline quick release. Comes with a DND horn button. So it's very nice. Yeah, so it's a spline quick release, but I mean, the quality on it right here is fabulous, right? This is very good quality. I gotta get used to how this thing goes on, because I think it only goes on one way. Yeah, right here. So it'll make more sense when the wheel's on it, but yeah, I think that's on. I don't know though. No, it's not on. But so yeah, this is a spline quick release. Very nice quality. I got the silver one because I have a theme going in my car now. I have an idea where I want to go with it, and this is what I'm thinking. So that's that, and that's it on right there. So we got that. Let's grab, in here came with some hardware, some silver screws. Might go and do some different hardware after, but this was just what we went with. So DND Performance Interior is where I got the wheel, and I think you guys are gonna love it. Let's give it a look. Here, let's just set this aside for a sec. So we got some other screws and wires, I'm assuming for the horn. We got an extra horn button. That's cool. All right. Some stickers. I got, an air freshener. I need that. And a nice little lanyard. I've been needing a new one of these. Shout out to D&D Performance. Let's take a look at the wheel. So I went with a deep dish wheel because I just think it looks phenomenal with a deep dish wheel, and the leather on here feels very nice. It's got a tan stitching with the tan thing in the center. But this wheel just looks awesome. Awesome, guys. Like, look at this thing. Feels super, super sturdy. Very, very happy with the quality of this. Good afternoon, everyone. Today, we're doing more car stuff. I am going to be putting my new steering wheel on the car that I revealed in the beginning of this video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to proceed by removing this steering wheel. I already disconnected the battery. So I'm just going to take this off, and then I'll update you guys. All right, guys, here we have it. My stock e46 sport wheel. I don't know, it's not really sporty. But, yo, all the companies, they just got screws in the side of this to take off the wheel, the airbag. This company, they got springs. See these springs right here? So what you have to do is you got to stick the screwdriver in and push on the spring right here. So like you stick the screwdriver into the side hole right here, and then you gotta push on the spring right here, and that releases the airbag. I think it's so stupid. I mean, it's like, I get the concept of it, it's meant to be easier, but that's just like a pain in the ass. There's no need for that, you know? So I got it off of it finally after struggling for a little bit. But I already assembled the old wheels, so, the new wheels, so now it's time to put it on. So, all right, guys, so the wheel's on, but I just think that it's too far out, and I think that's because I need a short hub. I think this is the long hub, and I think I need to get the short one. So, I'm probably gonna have to order a different hub and send this one back. All right, everybody, here it is. I love this steering wheel, and I think it's sick as fuck. But given my seating position and that these are fixed seats, and then on top that this hub is quite long, I don't know, my brother said that this is the short hub, but it's quite long, and I think I'm gonna need to get a shorter hub, the one that doesn't have this long neck right here, because it needs to be in at least another inch, given that it's a spline quick release. So if it was like the other quick release where it doesn't have a spline, it'd be a bit shorter, but because it's a spline, it's longer. So it looks sick, and I love how it came out. So thank you, DND Performance OMP Hub. So again, thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and have a wonderful day.